Hello students, good morning everybody. Today we will discuss about the three-phase balanced circuit. Three-phase balanced circuit. Before the three-phase balanced circuit, first we will again discuss briefly about the power, electrical power, different types of powers. You know that the electrical power is generally two types of power. It is one DC, another one is AC. AC power again divided into two types. One is single phase power, another one is three phase power. So up to now we discussed about this DC power and the single phase powers. In this second unit only we discussed about the single phase power, single phase supply. Now we will discuss about the three phase power. Three phase power. What is single phase power? It has single phase voltage. We discussed about the single phase voltage and single phase voltage and single phase current. We have single phase voltage and single phase current. Voltage and current. Single phase means we have only this type of voltage and current. It represents with simply voltage or current, anything is represents like this. Vm sin omega t. This is the procedure. Here we will discuss about the three phase power. Three phase power means single voltage and single current. Here three phase voltage means we have three voltages and three currents, simply. Three voltages and three currents. So by that we can discuss the three phase power. So look at the three phase power. Three phase power, generally we have three phases. It consisting of the three phase voltages and three phase currents. Three phase currents, right? So now we will discuss about the voltages and currents. So first we will look at the voltage or current is represents like this. The representation is it consisting of the three phase. The three phase voltages are represents with VR, Vy, Vb. VR means red, yellow, blue. If you observe practically, in three phase lines we have three connections, that is red color wire, Y color wire and blue color wire. So depends on the color it will be divided. This VR is same as single phase, that is Vm sin omega t. That Va is same magnitude Vm sin omega t minus 120. What is that meaning of 120? The phase difference between VR and Vy is the 120. Vb is same voltage, it is sin omega t minus 240. This Vb third phase difference with VR is 240 and phase difference with Vy is 120. So this is the division. Same as currents also, we have in this three phase supply we have three types of currents. One is IR, another one is IY, another one is IB. So the IR current is same Im sin omega t. Second IY, Im sin omega t minus 120. IB, Im sin omega t minus 240. Omega t minus 240. The phase representation, the waveforms are observed here. The waveforms are like this. The waveform representation is like this. So this is the V plus Vm value. For example, this is the minus Vm value. You know that the first phase representation, first take a VR, that VR representation is like this. This is the waveform. This is of the VR. So this is VR. What is VR? Vm sin omega t. It has plus Vm and minus Vm. Next Vy is it has 120 degrees lagging. So where is 120? I think this is 0, this is 60, and this is 60, and this is 120. Divide like this, two parts. So starts with here. Just I am writing with another color. That color is I am taking the red color. So look at it. Starts from here. So this point, and same as the second phase. So like this. So again it will be like this. What is this phase? This is the Vy. This is about the Vy. What about another thing? 240. 240, right. So this is 0, this is 60, this is 120, this is 180, and this is the 240. We have this is a 240. Change the another color. I am providing yellow color. So now starts from here, and this is 240 actually. That's why I am taking here. And so this is another thing. Okay, red, yellow, blue. Actually we will change the color, but apart from this I take an example like this. So this is about the VB phase. This is about the VB phase. Understand? VR is Vm sin omega t. That's why it starts at 0. So it follow this curve, right? Vy is, it starts with 120. This is the 120 actually. It starts from 120. This is the 120 actually, right? This is the 120. Next VB is start at 240. So that's why this is the 240. So by using this phenomena, by using this waveform, the magnitudes and phase angles will be decided. Same, if you draw for the current, same thing will happen. This is the three-phase voltages and currents. Three-phase voltages and current, their phases. Understand? Three-phase is nothing but it has the three phases and each have the 120 degrees phase. 120 degrees phase difference. Generally, this is represents like this. In the phasor diagram, this three phases represents like this. First, take VR phase. VR is like this, and after 120 is somewhere here. Minus 120 means lagging. So this is the 120, and this is the other thing. VB. It has again 240. This 120 or this plus 120. Understand? Vy lags 120 by VR. VB lags 240 by VR. If you observe here, the phase difference between each and every phase is 120. If you observe here, the phase difference between each and every phase is 120. Look at here. The phase difference between VR and Vy is 120. The phase difference between Vy and VB also 120. The phase difference between VB and VR is 120. Okay, this is the division. If you take the current, replace with IR, IY, IB. IR, IY, IB. So the need of the three-phase supply in the electrical system is whenever power rating increases, three-phase power is economical. three phase supply is economical. That's why we are using this three phase supply. Up to some rating, single phase supply is applicable, but when the rating is increases certain value, the three phase supply is economical. That's why high rating three phase supply is used. This three phase power or three phase supply connections are two types. Three phase supply connections are two types. One is star connection, another one is delta connection. Star connection, delta connection. First, we will look into the three-phase star connection. The first thing is we will analyze the three-phase star connection. Three-phase star connected system. Three-phase star connected system. So in this three-phase star connection system, the connection is like this. The connection is like this. That means, look at here. The three-phase star connection system is like this. So it's look like a star. This is the one phase, and this is the one phase, and this is the another thing is the this is the another phase. Okay. So it has a neutral point and it has the neutral point. This is called the neutral point. And we have three phases. This is the one phase, call it as R phase, and this is the Y phase. This is the R phase and this is the Y phase, and the remaining is another, name it as P phase. So better to change this. This take it as a Y phase. This take it as a B phase. Understand? RYB. So you can take RYB also, right? RYB. These are the three phases. Okay. This is the neutral. So this look like a star system, right? And we have two things here: phase and line. Phase and line. The phase and line is like this. Phase is the connection of R and N. This is called one phase. This is called one phase. This is called one phase. Phases is represented like this: Rn and Yn and Bn are the phases simply. What about lines? Line means the connection between two phases. R is one phase and Y is one phase. Ry is called one line. Look at here. This is one line. This is line. The connection between these two things are called one line, and the connection between R and B called one line. The connection between B and Y called one line. So line is like this. Line is RB and RY and RB, RY, BY are the lines. Okay. In these three-phase connections, we have again phase voltages and phase currents. So these phases have currents and voltages, lines have currents and voltages. Okay. Every phase have, these phases have voltages and currents, and lines have voltages and current. In the three-phase system, we have some relation. So the current from here, call it as line current, and which is entering into the phase is known as the phase current simply. For any phase, there is no chance between these two currents actually, and the current between the voltage between these two lines, this is one line and this is one line, is called line voltage, is called the line voltage. and the voltage between this neutral point and this R is known as phase voltage. R is called as the phase voltage. Understand? So in three phase, sir, for this phase also, this is the phase voltage, but this is the line voltage between B and Y, or B or Y. Okay, so that's why we have a relation between phase voltages and phase currents. In star connected system, the line voltage is the relation between the line voltage and phase voltage equal to root 3 times of phase voltage. Root 3 times of phase voltage. Look at here. This is the line voltage and this is the phase voltage. If you connect a voltmeter between these 2 points, the voltage across this is high compared with this phase. That's why line voltage equal to root 3 times of phase voltage. But look at here, this point is line current. The same current is flowing from this phase also. That's why line current is equal to the phase current. So in this, line current in the star connected system is equal to the phase current. Phase current. Understand? Right. So this is the very important relation in case of the star connected system. In case of the star connected system, star connected three phase system, right? And we can write the equation for the power also. The power in three phase system, star connected three phase system, generally in single phase power is V phase I phase cos phi, general power. Okay, but in case of three phase power, it is, we have three phases, the power will be increases 3 times, 3 phase I phase cos phi. Okay, now convert the phases into line, then what happened? What is the relation between phase and line? Phase voltage equal to V line by root 3. Just write that, V line by root 3. And I phase I line both are same. Just I line into cos phi. Okay. Root 3 times it will be cancelled. Then power equal to root 3 times of line current, line voltage cos phi. Understand? Three phase power has two equations. In terms of phase, he is asking 3 times V phase I phase cos phi, or if he asking line voltages and line currents, root 3 VL IL cos phi. Root 3 will be added. Root 3 will be added. Okay. This is about the three phase star connected system. Simply, star connected system means it look like a star. Okay. We have three phases, one phase, two phase, three phase, and we have a common point is this, that common point is called as neutral, and the voltage of across this phase is phase voltage, and voltage between two phases is known as line voltage, and the current from this point is line current, entering into point is phase currents. The relation, look at here, the line current, look, so the same line current flow in the phases, that's why line current equal to the phase current, and that's why we are writing the equations. Line voltage equal to root 3 times of phase voltage, line current equal to phase current. Okay, and three phase power, we have a equation 3 into V phase into I phase is cos phi, which is from, in single phase the power is V phase into I phase into cos phi, general formula. Here we have three phases, that's why it is multiplied with 3, and the same three phase power in terms of lines, that is root 3 times V line I line cos phi, I line cos phi, right? Now we will move into next three phase connection, three phase delta connection. Next thing is three phase delta connected system. three phase delta connected system. Okay, right. So delta connected system name itself same thing again. Look at the symbol and write down the figure. That figure is look like here. So this is the one phase and this is the other phase and we have the other phase, right? So again we have three phases. This phase is take it as a R and this point is considered as Y. This point is considered as the B. Understand? Right. So the current, this point, outside point is called as the line current. Okay. The current flowing to individual things is called as the phase current. This current is called a phase current and this current also phase current. So individual flowing, this is also phase current, but these currents are the line current and this is the line current. And in case of voltages, look at the voltages. If you observe the voltage here, these between 2 points, between two points is called as the line voltage, and voltage across this point, this voltage and this phase is phase voltage. This is called as the phase voltage. Right. Look at here. The voltage applied between two phases is line voltage and across phase is known as the phase voltage. The current flowing from this outside point is known as the line current. The inner currents are nothing but the phase currents. Okay. So here phases and lines are same. That's why look at here. Look at here. Here Ry is, we have things that is Ry, Yb and Br is nothing but phases and lines, both are same actually, both are same because there is no neutral point. But in case of star connected system, there is a neutral point is there because there is a combination point between the R and YB. We have a combination point, but in case here there is no common point, combination point. That's why this RY and YB and BR all is the same. Now we will write the phase voltages and phase currents relation. The relation is, look at here, first voltages. The voltage across these 2 points is nothing but this voltage only. Observe here, we are applying voltage means applying for phase only. That's why in delta connected system, line voltage is nothing but the phase voltage. But look at here, look at about currents. What about currents? Currents is line current is entering to this point. After that, line current divided into two phase currents. Again, line current is entering from here, divided into two currents. Line currents divided into two currents. That's why line current is bigger than the phase current. That's why we can write line current equal to √3 times of phase currents. Line current equal to √3 times of phase currents. This is the relation in the delta connected system between line and phases. Between line and phases. Look at here. Here again voltages. Line voltage means between 2 points. Phase voltage means between 2 points. These 2 points are nothing but these 2 points. That's why line voltage equal to phase voltage. But current here, line current is traveling from here, and again it will be divided between two things, two branches. That's why line current is higher, root 3 times of phase current. What about three phase power? In the delta connected system, the three phase power is generally three phase power equals generally like this: 3 times V phase into I phase into cos phi. Now we will convert into line model 3, but phase voltage is nothing but the line voltage. Substitute this line value. But what about phase? So this is actually current, not phase. This is the line current equal to root 3 times of phase current. Here the phase current equal to line current by root 3. So right here this is line current by root 3 to cos phi. Then it will be root 3 times cancel. Therefore three phase power is root 3 times of line current, line voltage, line current into power factor. For three phase power we have two formulas. First formula 3 times of V phase current into I phase current, and second formula is root 3 times of line voltage into line current, line voltage into line current. Okay, so if you, this is the delta connected system relations and power. If you compare both star connected and delta connected system, in star connected system line voltage is root 3 times of phase voltage, but line current, phase currents are same. In delta connected system, line voltage, phase voltages are same, but line current equal to root 3 times of phase current. What about power? Power is the common for both star connected and delta connected system. Power is three phase power, 3 times of V phase, I phase cos phi, root 3 times of line voltage and line current, phase current. And here also power is same, 3 phase power, 3 times of V phase, I phase cos phi, 3 phase power equal root 3 times of V line IL cos phi. Okay, just you have a idea between the voltage and current in the star and delta connected system, but three phase power is same. Okay, so this is about the three phase system. I think all of you understand this three phase system. Okay, we have two systems, star connected system and delta connected system. Okay, we will discuss a problem regarding the three phase system. The problem is, find the line currents provided by the supply is balanced 150 H three phase supply. So whenever in the problem a supply is given like this, just directly he is given the, take it as the line voltage, just consider as it is a line voltage simply, that is 100 voltage, 100 volts, and 50 H. He is given 50 H. In the problem sometimes he doesn't given the frequency, but directly you will consider it is 50 H because our Indian frequency is 50 H. But frequency in foreign, for example in America, the frequency is 60 H. That is, you have to keep in your mind. And this line voltage is applied across this three phase system. How can you observe the three phase system? Look at here. We have one phase, two phase, three phase. And if you observe this phase, these phases are a resistor, 6 ohms resistor, J8, a inductor is J8, 6 ohms resistor, J8 inductor, all are having same. This is balanced three-phase system. So first you have to keep in your mind balanced three-phase delta connected system. Delta connected, this is right. And is asking to find out some values. So before that, it is a combination of resistance and reactance, better to convert into the impedance form, then it will be easy. If you find out for single phase, it will be same for the all the phases. Okay, so in the given branch, it is combination of, it represents like this, ZR plus 6R plus JX format. So that's fine, just take that value. That value is 6 plus J8. He is given 6 plus J8, right? So which will be better to convert or keep like this, no problem at all. So if you convert this is like this. For R phase, you can take it as RY. This is ZRY. If you take it as a ZRY. This is the first phase. Second phase, take it as ZYB. Third phase, you take it as ZBY. ZBR. Three phases. Look at here. This is the first phase, RY. The second phase is YB. Third phase is RBR, BR. So 6 plus J8 is 10. It is a 10 at an angle of, we will get, so by doing we will get 10 at an angle of 53. 10 at an angle of 53. So by 53.13 also degrees. This is for same because all the values are same. This is 10 at an angle of 53.13. 10 at an angle of 53.13. Okay. This is the phase. He is given the phase impedance. He is asking to find out the line current. But before finding the line current, we are not possible to find directly line currents. So we have a chance to find the phase current. So in order to find out the phase current, some phase current in some line, just phase current equal to phase voltage by Z phase or RY phase. So this is for the RY phase. If you take the first phase and we have the line voltage only, we will find out the phase voltage is line voltage by root 3. Line voltage by root 3. But this is not line voltage by root 3. This is only phase voltage. Why? Because it is the delta connected system. If it is a star connected system, then by root 3. That's why this is the 100 volts. So phase voltage is equal to the line voltage, 100 volts only. But we are finding for the RY phase. So that's why this RY phase, I am taking it is a first phase. That's why V phase by Z phase RY. V phase equal to 100 at an angle of 0 by Z phase equal to 100, 10 at an angle of 53.13. By doing the calculation, 10 times and minus 53.13. This is for RY phase. Next, YB phase. Next, take it as the phase for YB. This is for the YB. Same. Second phase, this is Z phase of YB. So this is second phase. That's why applied voltage is have some phase difference, 100 at an angle of minus 120 by 10, 53.13. 10 times cancel and 10 at an angle of minus 120 minus 53.3, you will get minus 173.13. Next, if we take for the phase voltage for RY, not RY, YB, RB, remaining phase is only RB. So this is the phase is RB, this is first phase RY, second phase YB, and third phase RB. So same procedure but same voltage, but ఇక్కడ phase is, this phase is difference 100 at an angle of minus 240, 10 at an angle of 53.13. 10 times is cancelled. Then you will get, finally you will get 10 at an angle of 10 at an angle of minus 240 minus 53.13, or minus 240, you can take it as a plus 120 also. You can write like this, minus 293.12, or we can write it another form also. If you take, so if you take the last phase YRB, take like this, that is voltage 10 at an angle of plus 120 by and 10 at an angle of 120 by 10 at an angle of 53.13. Not 10, this is 100 I think. So 10 times cancel. So 10 at an angle of 120 minus 53.3, you will get 66.87 amperes. 87 amperes. Okay, same, that is the same. If you convert this into plus, that means 360 minus 293.12, or you can convert like this. So by the angle you can write like this, 360 minus 293.12, also you will get that. Okay, right. So we are getting three currents. The first current 10 at an angle of minus 53.13, the second current 10 at an angle of minus 173.13, and third current 10 at an angle of 66.87 amperes. But what are these? These are all are phase current. But in the question he is asking to find out the line current. So it is a delta connected system. In delta, the relation between, in delta system, the relation between line current and phase current equal to, line current equal to root 3 times of phase current. Root 3 times of phase currents. The first phase is RY, YB, BR. For RY, for YB and BR. So for first phase it is root 3 times of, this is not voltage, this is current, line current equal to root 3 times of phase current. What is phase current there? Phase current equal to 10 at an angle of minus 53.13. 10 at an angle of minus 53.13. So we will get 17.32 amperes. 32 amperes at an angle of minus 53.13. Remaining also same, 17.32 at an angle of minus 173.13. Minus 173.13 amperes. Next, remaining is 17.32 at an angle of 66.87 amperes. Okay, these are the line currents. These are the line currents. So in the question directly given, that given is the line voltage, then it converted to phase. If he is asking any line voltage or line current, phase voltage or phase current, first you have to do the phase values. It may be phase voltage and phase currents. First you find out the phase values, then you will go for the line voltage. The first finding the line currents or line voltage is difficult for the problem. That's why you have to find out first phase. That's why I am converting this is given is line always, that line will be converted into phase. After that I am finding the phase currents. After that I will current the line currents. Okay, this is the procedure to do any problem. So you can take an example of the star connected system, then we will move into the problem. Okay, thank you.